What's up, you guys, and welcome back to a very late Ipsy unboxing for the month of March. It took a while for me to get these boxes. I think we talked about this last month, that they are just shipping so late, and I do apologize. But I do want to share them with you guys and show you guys what I got inside of my Ipsy bags. Now, there were a couple of comments, which I totally noted, and I do have a drawer for now, that some of you guys really wanted me to do a Ipsy like recap at the end of like 6 months or quarterly or whatever, just testing out these products and then kind of letting you guys know, like, hey, here's what I like, here's what's going on, like, here are the products that I've tried so far from Ipsy, and this is what I like and what I don't like and what I would recommend, because we do get a lot of skincare and just products in general that, you know, I'm not going to know the first or second or third time that I try these, but there are some products in here that we've gotten that I do end up really enjoying. So I thought this would be a good way to kind of keep you guys updated. So thank you to those of you guys that had asked me to do this, because I think it's a great idea. I actually have a drawer that I'm putting all of my stuff that I receive from Ipsy and from BoxyCharm, and that will be basically stuff that I will, you know, continually use over and over, and then periodically keep you guys updated on these products. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I do have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus as well as the Ipsy Original. So we're gonna go ahead and get into them, and then I will have timestamps as always for you guys down below and all the information you need about Ipsy. So let's get to this. So we're gonna start off with the bag that I just recently got, which is the one that I paid for, and I believe I have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Here is the bag, and we'll move into the very first. So the very first thing I have comes in this plastic thing right here. This is by MOTD. This is a set of brushes that look like this. I'm gonna go ahead and put these to the side because I have so many brushes. I just washed all my brushes yesterday, and I realized that I had so many brushes that I even put some away, so I definitely don't need any more brushes. So I'm gonna go ahead and hold these to the side and give them away. All right, next thing I have is by Pure Lease. This is the Pure Lease Silk Glow BB Base Primer. This is oil-free satin sheen natural glow finish for extended makeup wear, and it's formulated for all skin types. I like the finish of this. It's very soft. I don't really see that much of a glow. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I don't see that much of a glow, but it does feel good on the skin. It's got like a nice overall soft finish to the skin, so we'll give it a shot. So next up we have is by Vineyard Soiree. Oh, this is by Colored Rain. I actually have another Colored Rain palette that I really do like, and this is an eyeshadow palette in the shade Vineyard Soiree. Look at that. Oh, I gotta swatch some of these. Look at how beautiful that palette is. Oh my gosh. The quality of these shadows are exactly like I envisioned them to be. Really like this like orchid color right here. This one's gorgeous. What else do we got? Next, oh, what is this? All right, next up I have is Totally Tubular. It says half caked. Oh my gosh, I thought it said half baked. I'm like, oh. What are we sending these kids? This is a mascara, actually. Oh, look at that. So there's the mascara. And there's the wand. It's got a rubber bristle, very short and spiky. Ooh, I don't know, could work. We'll see. All right, and the last thing I have in the bag is called the Complexion Boosting Moisturizer by Air Repair. This is a rejuvenating antioxidant formula that's supposed to help dull, tired, and dehydrated skin. Kind of sounds like my skin. Oh, you can put this on the skin as like a moisturizer, but if you want to like use it as like a mask, you can actually apply this for a more intensive treatment and put it on the skin for 10 to 15 minutes and then remove the excess. Kind of like the, is it called the jet lag mask from Summer Fridays? That's what this sounds like. Yeah, I'll give it a shot. I like the Summer Fridays one. That stuff is like super hydrating. I only do it once a week, like usually like Sunday nights. I'll do it like on this part of my skin, but that stuff is hydrating. So the next stuff I'm going to pull apart is actually from what Ipsy sends me. So I do have one purchase bag, and then Ipsy sends me a box with the original Glam Bag for $12 and then the Glam Bag Plus. But they also sent over some stuff from their brand, also from a brand that they work with called Refreshments. Now, I do have their shaving cream, which is really, really nice, and their razor. But they sent over these two deodorants right here. They sent over these two deodorants, and then they also sent over this pearly body wash in citrus pink or something like that. I don't know. I gotta smell this. Citrus spritz. That smells good. So the deodorant is actually something I'm really interested to try out. This is clean, 100% vegan, cruelty-free ingredients, aluminum-free, and baking soda-free. And it's clinically allergy and dermatologist tested, and it has 4 scents, including unscented. Very nice. I like that. I'll definitely give it a shot. I'm actually almost done with my deodorant, so I'll definitely try this out. Okay, so let's move into the Ipsy bag right here. This is the $12. This is what started it all. And here you have it. So it's got like a close-up shot of the 4 women holding hands. First thing I see in here is this little black square box. This is by St. Lux, and this is a highlighter in the shade Celestial. A little too pinky for me, but I'm just not into highlighters that have like a pinkish tint. I mean, like the highlighter I'm wearing today is like an icy highlighter. That's what I prefer. I'm just not a huge fan of these like pinkish tint highlighters. I just don't ever feel like they pair nicely on my skin. Next up I see is by our Araceli, and this is the Ojos Perfectos Liquid Liner. Oh, look at that. That is a point. That is black. Look at how dark that is. We have, ooh, the Kat Von D Locket Setting Powder in Translucent. You know, for a really long time there, I was always wanting to try this powder. I just never got around to trying it. I think that this is definitely a good size amount to try out. So that is actually really exciting to see. It's probably the most excited thing I've had so far. And then the last thing I have is by Shella. And this is the Seed to Skin Scrub. It is a natural grain polish. That I assume you can use it in circular motions along your body or wherever you have any dryness. We do have like a hand cream from this brand that I have also, and I do like their hand cream. I think that's what it is, like a lotion or a hand cream. I use it as a hand cream. I keep it in my backpack. It's really, really good. Did I only get 4? I thought you did 5. I feel like I'm missing one, but I'm pretty sure I only got 4 products, which it's fine. It is what it is. So we have the last bag, and this product was actually sitting outside of the bags, which leads me to believe that maybe it came with the $12 bag. And I'm excited about this because this is by UA. This is the leave-in conditioner. This totally takes the cake for me right now. I have been wanting to try something from this brand, specifically their shampoo and conditioner, although I've really been hesitant to jump the gun, which I know I probably shouldn't be because I spend a lot of money on shampoo and conditioner as is, but the products I try, I've known forever that they work on my hair and that they're good for my hair and that my hair really likes them. Whereas the last time I tried a new shampoo and conditioner, it really failed me. I tried the Drunk Elephant products and they were horrible, like horrible. And they were expensive, and so I got like really like, you know, butthurt about it. But I've heard nothing but rave reviews about this, and if you guys have any of their products, I need to know what you guys think about those products. But we are moving into the very last Glam Bag Plus. Very first thing I see inside here is by Koa Life, and this is the Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser, and here you have it. Next up I have is by Haas Laboratories, yes, and this is a sparkle lipstick. Oh, please don't be, yeah. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's gorgeous. Like, it's gorgeous. Look at the detail. Can you guys see the detail on this lipstick? Like, there are faint lines of glitter, like, all around this lipstick. I don't think you guys understand just how beautiful this lipstick is. Like, I wouldn't wear it. It's just not my taste. Well, maybe. Really not what I prefer, but I can appreciate some really good packaging there. What else do we have? We have this. This is by Shades by Sean. It says 25% of these proceeds of this collection will be going to the Mama Berry's nonprofit foundation to help single parents in need. Aw, I love that. I don't know what that is, but that makes me want to buy it already. Shades of Sean and MBY Makeup Studio, the Neutral Edition 9pan eyeshadow palette. This palette looks very, very familiar to another palette that I had a long time ago. I think it was by the brand Studio Makeup. I'll show you a picture here. But it had like these exact same tones. Holy moly. So there you have like the first 5 right there. And it's got some color to it for sure. I mean, and there you have the last 5 of the metallics. I mean, last 4. The metallics in here are kind of hard, except this one. Look at that one. That one's beautiful. But yeah, I'll give it a shot. I really love the concept though of the proceeds of where it goes. I really love that. My best friend is actually a single mom, and the girl's incredible. Like, she's incredible. The fact that it's hard enough to be a parent, but to also be a single parent is, yeah, she's amazing. Next up I have here is a box again, and this is by Florence by Mills. This is the Glow Yeah Lip Oil. I think we got, what else? We got something else from Florence, right? Florence by Mills. Ooh, this is pretty. Last time I got a Florence by Mills, like, peel off mask, or it was like some sort of like mask. It was a mask, and it was like holographic and stuff. It was fine. It didn't do anything really. I used it a few times and I was like, all right, I don't see the difference in this, but my daughter liked it. She thought it was super cool. But this is the Lip Glow, and I like this. This is more my speed. Let's hope this pans out better. I will say I think her packaging is really cute though. Ooh, another one. This is the It Cosmetics Heavenly Skin Smoothing Complexion Brush, and this is number 704. This one is more compact, which leads me to believe that I would probably use this more for foundation, and hopefully it works. If it doesn't work out for like liquid foundation, this might be a good brush for powder foundation. For example, like my Bare Minerals that I really love so much, the Bare Minerals powder, the loose powder, because it is more compact in the bristles, but still soft enough that I can kind of buff out. So this looks like it would be a good one. So that is everything I got in my boxes. I will say that this isn't the most exciting box. I mean, there's really not a whole lot in here that I'm like oohing and ahhing about. There are a few in here products that you guys obviously saw that I got excited about, but it's fine. It's just not the best that Ipsy's done this month. I'm like mediocre this month, you know? So you guys let me know what you guys got in your boxes, and if you guys, hopefully you guys don't feel the same as me, and I hope you guys loved your boxes this month. But you guys let me know what your thoughts are down below. Thank you so much for watching this video, even though it's super late, you guys. I still hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys all in my next video. Make sure to check out these videos if you guys haven't yet, and I will see you guys later. Bye.